Hi guys, this is my greenhouse on Occupy Mars. I'm gonna show you something um, that I found out because you're gonna need soil for this pots. How to make soil? You're gonna need the composer, and what you're also gonna need is silicone ore that you're gonna throw in. It says soil, it gives you soil. So recycle, and I have my soil for the waste. Let's see here. For fertilizer, I tried everything, but I found out something. Okay, you can use. Let's see here.
Equalizer pressure.
The toilet, but you can only use it once a day, and then you flush and open the panel here. Then you get the waste. You can
Equalizer
also go
pressure.
throw it in the composer. And what you also can use is some of the food that you made, like this one, or the potatoes. Okay, let's go back to the composer. Alright, when I put this in here, it says fertilizer. It gives me 768 fertilizer, but I'm not gonna make this one fertilizer because I still got 364 left. The more plants you put in one, here's like 12 plants in here, then I use a lot of water. Okay, I use a lot of water, fertilizer, and light. For that, you're gonna need to put up wells, and also you're gonna need oxygen.
Equalizer pressure.
So let me show you first.
Equalizer
For
pressure.
the bigger the base that you build, the more oxygen you're gonna need. So what I did, I put up more wells, and I also put up the Sabatier reactor well upgrade is for producing oxygen. Then at the back of them you can put on the oxygen bottle, and then I will tell you to put up a pump, and at the pump you can go there and change this to any color. For the green it will be oxygen, for the blue water, for the red methane. So if you want oxygen, put them on the green. So what I did was I put up some oxygen tanks. I used the pipe to this pump, and from this pump I put them to another pump. this one also the same, and then I put them in one pump, and from that pump I take the pipe to the workshop, so my oxygen is very strong inside, and I
Equalizer
also
pressure.
got
External oxygen detected.
enough water. Okay, go on this panel. I got 8,420 liters of water. My electricity is fine because I put on some
Equalizer pressure.
battery packs, solar panels to the transformers. From the transformer there only go one cable to the battery pack, and from this battery pack I put in the inlet from the transformer into the inlet, and from the outlet I put it into another battery pack, and the same goes from each outlet, it goes into another inlet of a battery pack. So I got enough energy for this whole base through the night, through the day. I also got Meteor rockets for meteor showers, protect my base. For every time you put up another structure, remember to always check, because if you come to the airlock and it doesn't open,
Equalizer pressure.
it still keeps close, and you must go to to the battery pack that outlet, power outlet is going into your base. Then you must go to its panel, and you must put each power outlet a number up, so there can go out more electricity into the to the base. Then the door will open. And when you
Equalizer pressure.
walk inside,
External oxygen detected.
and it says low pressure, it means you got less oxygen. But when it says
Equalizer pressure. External
you
oxygen
got
detected.
external oxygen detected,
Equalizer
means
pressure.
you got enough oxygen in your base. So for my base I put up almost everything: the workshop, mechanic workbench, electricity workbench, a normal workbench, material workbench, and a botany workbench. I got the food processor, a scrubber, and a seeding machine. On this side
Equalizer pressure.
got my living capsule where I can sleep,
Equalizer pressure.
the bathroom capsule, got own toilet, shower, a zinc,
Equalizer pressure.
on this side got storage and two scrubbers, more space. On this side you got the helmets. You cannot wear the shoes yet. backpacks, oxygen backpacks.
Equalizer pressure.
Then I have the hanger.
Equalizer pressure.
And then the greenhouse, where you can produce food. So always remember, when you produce food, to have enough water, oxygen and electricity. You can start by, when you're planting, use the incubator. When that plant reaches 50%, you can take it out and put them in the small hydroponic shelf. Then you can put them in the small hydroponic shelf. And always remember to give them water, electricity, fertilizer, so that they can grow more and faster. For this you will get points in your tech tree. For electricity, you must put up solar panels, everything that works with electricity. Materials, you will get each point you will get by cutting down, like the solar panels, the base, the other bases that you get. When you cut them down with the grinder, you will get points. Mechanics you will get by using the jackhammer for drilling rocks, then you will get points there. It's better to spend your points wise on things that you will know that you can use. For instance, okay, mechanics. When you use the jackhammer, it's better to upgrade to a jackhammer 2 to start drilling. It will drill faster, and to also upgrade to a grinder number 2. Then you can start cutting down some electrical, the solar panels, the wells, but the base you cannot cut down yet unless you can upgrade to a grinder 3. Blowtorch is for welding. It's better to also upgrade everything, the jackhammer, the grinder and the blowtorch, to level 3. It will work better. Use the rover for traveling far. The ATV quad is for short distance travel, bases that are near you. You're gonna need small circuit boards for some structures that you're gonna
Sleep
need to
deprivation
build.
warning. Alert.
It's better to start the basic first.
Equalizer pressure.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Thanks a lot.